Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ram K English. Friends, I am from Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. I am here day by daily practice of English speaking. This is the day 10 of Learn English with me. Friends, I want to tell you today's topic. Today's topic is a very important topic. I want to tell you why we can't speak English. Friends, everyone's struggle from this fear. While they started to speak English in front of people, they stuck. When they complete one or two sentence, they stuck in English. Just because of not they have lack of English vocabulary, English sentences. Just they fear by the hesitation. They fear from the failure, and also they fear if while speaking I am make a mistake, then what will say in front of me. Means while I am speaking English, then I thought ki if anyone listen this, yani if anyone listen my English sentences, who is watching in front of me, who is sitting in front of me, then what will say the second person when he listen this. But this is the not problem. You have to avoid this situation, you have to avoid this mistake. While you start English speaking, then you have to forget this thing, what will people say. If you always recognize this and always remember this, if you stuck while speaking English, then what will say second person, then you will not completely speak English. Means you can not speak properly English in front of people, like a public speaking, public modulation, and in front of public, many more, just like in front of camera. Before the starting of in front of people, you have to start speaking. Before the start speaking English in front of people, you have to always try to speak English in front of your mobile camera. You have to day by daily record your daily practice video, and you have to upload as a real raw clips of your speaking English, what you speak and what you tell about the any topic. You have to take any topic, means like which topic is your favorite, then you have to took it and complete a sense and complete make a script. Then you have to speak on that topic in front of your mobile camera. This is a very good habit. If you day by daily practice in front of your mobile camera, you will see your English vocabulary and your English speaking journey will completely make up best way to improve your English speaking. This is a very good thing. Friends, I am also trying this method. I have no environment for speaking English, and I have no any teacher for guidance of my English speaking. Just because of that, I don't like to take any single online classes. I don't want to. No, I. This is not any problem ki I have no money. I have money, but I can't. I don't want ki I don't want take any online classes. Just because of that, I knew it. If I will practice day by daily speaking English, then English speaking also good. मीन्स ये बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी, बिकम गुड. इफ़ आई देखो, अभी मैंने कुछ गलतियाँ की, बट बाद में उसको मैं सुधार ले रहा हूँ. यही सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, यही सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है आप लोगों की. मीन्स आप लोगों की क्या, मेरी भी प्रॉब्लम यही है. मैं गलती करता हूँ बट उसे से सीख लेता हूँ कि वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में उसको मैं गलती नहीं करूँगा. देन फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ द वेरी गुड थिंग. मैंने बताया ना कि वाइल वी आर स्टार्टिंग टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, वाई वी स्टक, मीन्स वाई वी कैन नॉट स्पीक इंग्लिश. ये ना, यही तो मैंने बताया ना कि हम लोग इंग्लिश क्यों नहीं बोल पाते हैं. तो ये तो हो गया ना कि जब भी हम ये बोलना स्टार्ट करते हैं, वाइल वी स्टार्ट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल, इन फ्रंट ऑफ मोबाइल कैमरा और एनी अदर कैमरा, यार पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ टीचर, any other person, then be stuck. Why we can stuck? Just because of lack of fear, what the people will say, but you don't care about the people. what they will say and what will they not say. You have to improve your English speaking. Then you have to avoid this fear. If you avoid the failure, then you also get success in your life. If you avoid failure, then you have to avoid your success. मीन्स आपको इन सब चीज़ों से डरना नहीं है. आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड दिस सीरीज फॉर मेकिंग मी fluently speak in English in front of people, in front of other things. This is the very good thing and this is the very good method just because of my English improvement. And now my English is not improved, but this time my English quite good before the 30 days ago, and I have also confidence while speaking. You can see I have a lot of confidence while I am speaking. I am stuck. I am stuck while I am speaking, but I have some promise to myself. I will not cut any part of my mistake. I will upload my whole video while I am practicing in front of my mobile camera. Then friends, you have to follow this method. You don't need to fear what the people will say. You have to practice in front of your mobile camera day by daily, and consistency makes you perfect. बाय बाय, टेक केयर, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. धन्यवाद.